Got him. Let's go. Got it.
Let's go.
Got everyone here.
It's fun. You were saying?
Yep.
Nice spot.
I'm gonna do one that way and then you fly fish.
I love that. Take it off, it's too hot.
I think I see some movement right there though.
Go ahead.
Go for it.
Yeah, you go.
Got him. Let's go.
Nice. Oh, no.
It's okay. Nice freaking job. We got him. Wow, that was awesome.
Let's go. There you go, and he's unhooked too. Stream.
See you later.
Go find a new.
That is a whole different world.
Dude, that was awesome.
Outside, how about that?
He's gonna go try and get back to his spot.
Do you think I could hit this again?
Yes,
Yeah.
you can. I hit it.
Got one. Oh, I lost him.
Yeah. Deep right here. Perfect. Big strikes. I just saw him swipe it.
I don't want to get caught up in that branch. All right, f it. You know what? Got it. Let's go.
Let's go. He's trying to fight on my leg. Dude.
Nice.
Oh my god, bro. Oh no, it's a brown, dude.
That's
that is
awesome.
There you
That's
go,
awesome.
Dude. Look at that beautiful color.
Beautiful.
Look at the orange and red spots.
That's what
Look
I'm
at
talking about. Good.
The... Go, or you want to
Yeah,
hold
let him go.
Okay. Oh my, he jumped out of the... Just we'll keep your eyes to the left. Watch under the branches.
Oh my golly.
Yeah.
Look, it's your old footsteps. From like, wow. And I scared them all away.
There's like 20 of them jumping out over here. The grass growing off the top of it.